Good morning, sir.
Good evening, Abhinav.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
We will wait for 2 more minutes. If Harsh will join, it's okay. Otherwise, we will start. So I am taking exam in two parts. First part will be day 1 to day 6, not day 6, day 1 to day 5. And 6, 7, 8, we discussed Word and Excel. For that, I will take a separate exam because both combining in one day is not possible. Today is day 1 to day 5.
But you say, sir, you say one day you will ask question and second day you will do
Correct.
practically.
But when I was creating question paper, then I thought Excel and Word, they are so vast that I cannot combine both of them in one this thing. So today is only 1 to 5, that is mainly theory part. And then it will be, so maybe I can combine both practical and theory together. Practical and theory together of Word and Excel. Okay, I think let's start, Abhinav, because it's already 4 minutes past 6. So I think Harsh will not join. Exam is,
Sir,
ah,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Message him.
no need to message. If someone is not interested, then why we should message?
Yes, sir. He did not also join in English class that day.
Ah, right. Okay, so let's start. So first one is 5 marks question. Fill in the blanks. Already options are given. In the below, there are options are there, and these are the questions. So just write number 1 and the answer. Don't write the complete sentence. Any doubt? Ask me.
In copy.
In copy only.
So wait, sir. I'm going to bring my copy.
Achha, you thought it is going to be oral test? Every exam is going to have both theory and practical.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Read the question and choose the option from below. The amount of space required to store one character is called. In computer, we have all these text, A, B, C, D, numbers, symbols, all are called characters. The amount of space required to store one character is called what? Okay, second is your entire screen when Windows 7 or 10 is running is called. This one is 5 numbers, very, very easy with all options. But from next page, it is going to be tough. So total marks are 50. So 5 out of 50 is guaranteed. 5 marks will come.
Sir, fourth question number.
The computer uses dash number system. Which number system is being used by computer?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
And the last one is memory in computers is classified into 2 types, this and this. Done? All done?
Yes, sir.
So 5 numbers are confirmed. Now let's see. Next one is again 5 marks, fill in the blanks, but in this there is no option. Option is not there. These are the 5 questions. Any confusion, you can ask me.
One. Sir, I write in A, B, C.
It's okay na, A, B, C, D, E.
No, sir. The number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the page number is A, B.
Okay, your wish. Your wish, no problem. Problem is that when I have 100 of students, then I have problem.
Yes, sir.
Only 1 or 2 or 3 students means no problem. There are a few questions which are out of my teaching, means I have not mentioned that in my class. Few questions, not. So first is the smallest unit of memory is called. Memory का सबसे छोटा unit क्या है? The binary digits that form a character are usually 8, 16 or 20 or 32 bits. ये भी हमने discuss किया हुआ था. Full form bits का क्या है? This I have not discussed. I have told you that 8, 16 and 32 bits are there for making one character. But what is the full form of bits? I have not told. Full form of CPU is easy. 1 GB or gigabyte is equal to how many kilobyte? This I have told. This is also in the PDF also. And last is dash is where all the computers built-in electronic components reside. This also we have discussed. So only one question in this page is out of syllabus. Not out of syllabus, out of our discussion.
Byte.
If you have a doubt, you can note down the question and you can write the answer afterwards.
What was the fourth number question?
1 GB or gigabyte is equal to how many kilobytes? So ratio of GB and KB. KB, MB, GB. So 1 GB is equal to how many KB, kilobytes?
Fifth one.
The last one is dash is where all the computers built-in electronic components reside. वो कौन सी जगह है जहां कंप्यूटर के सारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट, उसके सारे चिप्स वगैरह जो भी उसका कंपोनेंट है जिससे कि वो चलता है, जहां पर सारे प्रोग्राम्स को हम स्टोर करते हैं, वो कहाँ रहता है? उस जगह का नाम क्या है?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Now again 5 marks, and this is mainly one is first one is the 1 kilobyte is equal to how many bytes? Exact number of bytes you have to write, and then LAN, RAM, WWW, and ROM का full form. In this only WWW I have not discussed in the class, but it is very common whenever you
Yes,
type.
sir, yes, sir.
So
Any website,
ah,
we use www dot.
yes.
What is the second one?
Second is LAN, LAN, full form of LAN. LAN, RAM, WWW, and ROM, ROM. आप लिख लो. In your paper, you note down LAN, RAM, these things, and then we go to the next slide. Afterwards, you can write.
Yes, sir. Now it's easy. I know all. After 6, 2 is the problem, but and remaining are I know.
Okay.
Then, yes, sir, done.
Okay. And now we are coming to the subjective questions, 25 marks, and there are 5 questions. Go through all the questions and let me know if all are clear. In case of any doubt, ask me.
What was the first one, sir?
Write
First one.
top 5 areas where computers have made their presence felt. ऐसे 5 क्षेत्र के नाम लिखिए जहां कंप्यूटर ने अपनी उपस्थिति का एहसास दिलाया है. Second is, what is the difference between data and information?
What was the second one, sir?
Second is, what is the difference between data and information? Data और information में क्या अंतर है? This we have discussed. These are
Yes, sir.
questions we have discussed.
So what is the third one?
Write 3 parts of the CPU. CPU के 3 parts होते हैं. CPU के अंदर में 1, 2, 3 या 3 parts. उन तीनों parts के नाम लिखने हैं. 3 parts of the CPU.
I think we have done discuss about that.
This we have discussed. I have also shared the diagram with you.
I think it's in day 4.
Hmm. So there are 2 purposes of exam. One is to test also, and second is that if we have not revised any particular chapter or portion, we can do that now. Once the exam is over, we can go back and revise.
What is the fourth one, sir?
Fourth one is write 3 advantages and 3 limitations of computers. 3 फायदे क्या हैं और 3 उसका लिमिटेशन क्या है. नुकसान नहीं बोलेंगे, बोलेंगे लिमिटेशन, यानी कि 3 उसमें ऐसी बातें हैं जहां वो बहुत ज्यादा उपयोगी नहीं है. लिमिटेशंस हैं उसके वर्किंग में रुकावट हैं. 3 चीजें, 3 फायदा और 3 रुकावटें.
Okay, so what fifth one?
Last is write three functions of the operating system. We discussed about OS, operating system. उसके तीन काम के बारे में लिखना है. Three functions of the operating system. This also I think we discussed in the fifth PDF.
Only three, sir, no, three functions.
Three functions.
Done, sir.
Done. And the last one is of 10 marks. And in this, you have two questions. You have to answer any one. So first is draw the diagram of the computer system. This
Any
is
computer system.
the complete diagram. System means not the photo of computer, the system. How we go from this side to this side. Remember, I have shown you the complete system.
I didn't
I
get you
cannot give more
what
than
you're
that. And
saying.
second one is write one example of the user program. Two times I have shown you the, you can say, diagram of how a simple program can be written.
I
Start.
didn't get the first one.
So first one is the complete system, means from input to output. I have given you the hint also. Diagram of complete system, input to output. And second one is write one example of the user program. Both these diagrams I have shown you 2-3 times. So you have to answer any one of them.
Any one.
Only one. You have to make that diagram.
Write a diagram of computer system and write the example of one user program.
So any one out of 1 and 2, any one you have to attempt.
Draw the diagram of the computer system. Write an example of the only one example of the user program.
Only one I have shown you. I have given
Yes, sir.
you only one diagram of the program.
Yes, sir. User program.
Only one I have shown you. That only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I read second one. But the
Done? I think that's it. 10 plus 15, 20, 35 plus 540 plus 545 plus 550. So 50 marks, day 1 to day 5. Now click the photos of your answer sheet and send it to me.
yes, sir. Let me bring my mobile phone. Yes, PDF in group or you're in your personal.
Anything, group also you can send.
Anything.
Yes, yes, anything.
I'm sending you in personal because I don't write the name.
Okay, no problem.
It's 18:30.
Yes, sir. I send it.
Okay. Yes, I received. I received. Okay. I think that's it for today, Abhinav. So this is done. Now in the next class, because Word and Excel, we are having more practical part. So in the next class, it will be, you can say, less theory, more practical for Word and Excel. So be ready with your laptop because you have to share the screen also in that.
Yes.
Share the screen and then I will give you some task, right? So do some practice tomorrow, today and tomorrow, and then on Saturday we are going to have the practical, more practical exam, and then we'll start the last one, that is PowerPoint. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right then. See you on Saturday.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.